Hello my dear children, welcome to science class. I hope you all are safe at your places. In today's class, we will be learning about a new chapter, that is chapter number 7, Food for Health. So children, let's begin. What do you mean by food, children? Food are the things that we eat daily to get energy to do daily works. Food also help us to grow and become strong. But do all foods help us to grow strong? How many of you like to have pizzas? All of us like to eat pizzas. But children, do you think that pizzas help us to grow strong? No. Pizzas don't help us to grow strong. But children, just think about fruits and vegetables. How many of you like to eat vegetables and fruits? Not many of us. But fruits and vegetables are the foods that help us grow stronger. They also help us to be strong and healthy. So children, in this chapter, we will be learning about the foods that are good for our health and those which food are harmful for our health. So let's begin. We eat food every day. It helps us to live and grow. Food gives us energy to do our daily activities like playing, studying, running, etc. It makes us healthy and strong. So children, food has different important functions in our body. It helps us grow stronger. It protects us from diseases. It also helps us to do our daily activities by giving us energy. So children, we must have healthy foods and avoid the foods like pizzas, burgers, chocolates, which are harmful for us. When we know about the different types of foods which are good for health and which are bad for health, now let's learn about the next topic, which is sources of food. So children, we eat different kind of foods. Where do this food come from? They come from different sources. For example, in a room, the light comes from the tube light. So we can say that the source of light is the tube light. So from where does these foods come which we eat? So the foods that come from either plants or animals. So plants and animals are the two sources of food. So children, source means the place from which we get the food that we eat. There are mainly two sources of food. These are plants and animals. Children, the plant sources are usually fruits, cereals, vegetables. Okay? And the animal sources are eggs, milk, meat, fish, etc. So children, let's learn it in detail. Sources of food. We get food from plants and animals. We get fruit, vegetables, cereals, pulses from plants. What do you mean by cereals, children? In the chapter food, we already know that cereals means food grains like rice, wheat. We get milk, eggs and meat from animals. Where do we get milk from, children? We get milk from cows, buffaloes, goats, etc. So, milk, fish, eggs and meat are the food sources which we get from animals. Children, when we know about the different sources of food, let's learn about a complete food. Not a single food can give us the nutrients, the important things which is needed by our body. But there is one food which is known as complete food. This food is called milk. So children, how many of you drink milk every day? Milk is a complete food, so we must drink milk every day. Now children, milk is very important, food is very important, but when we feel thirsty, what do we drink? We drink water. So water is again a very important part of our lives. When we are thirsty, nothing can give us relief from thirst except water. So children, water is again needed by our body to maintain different systems present in our body. We must drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. So, we should drink clean and safe water. Water should be filtered or boiled before drinking. We must drink 8 to 10 glasses of water. So children, we must drink clean and safe water. The water which is filtered, the water which is being boiled, that water we must drink. We must not drink any unclean or dirty water. This will bring many different diseases in our body. So, always try to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day, and that water should be clean and boiled. So children, I hope today's lesson is clear to all of you all. See you in the next class with the continuation of this chapter. Till then, stay safe.